Alright, what's up? I'm Ayan, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can monetize a YouTube channel. First of all, we have to go to youtube.com and click on your profile icon and go to YouTube Studio. Yep, you know how to go to YouTube Studio if you're a creator. So I have created this new channel just to show you how this works. So will be an earn tab. Simply click on it and this will give you everything that you need to learn. So before applying monetization, all we have to do is reach these minimum requirements, which is like 1000 subscribers and 4000 public watch hours, or maybe if you're into shorts, 10 million short views. These requirements are need to be met in last year, which means we have to do this in 1 year. Subscriber count doesn't matter, but so I've already reached these requirements on my main channel, so I'm just gonna change it to that. Here you can see I have now 1000 subscribers and we get an option to apply now. Let me see the requirements. After you have reached the requirements, these options will be looking like this. Now all we have to do is click on the apply now option and we will be given this set of options where we have to review the base terms and sign up for AdSense and get reviewed. First, let's review the base terms. Make sure you read these base terms carefully, but in my case I don't read it. I just simply click on agree and accept terms. Now wait for it. My internet is kinda slow. Okay, now we have reviewed the base terms. Now let's sign up our AdSense for YouTube. Click on start. Here we need to select an option. If you already have an AdSense account, say yes, but I don't have an AdSense account, so I'm just gonna click on no and create a new AdSense account for my YouTube channel. Okay, now selecting the main account as always, not going with the other accounts, obviously. Okay, let's see, this takes us to an AdSense website of Google. Here we go. We don't have an ad. Okay, the channel is automatically selected. Now we need to select my country, which is Pakistan in my case. Your country might differ depending on where you're living. Okay, read these AdSense terms and conditions. If you don't want to read it, simply select check it and set up account. Now the account is being created for AdSense. This is gonna ask you for information, but make sure you don't never share this information with anyone. And I'm not gonna share it with you guys. So sorry about that. So after putting your information and submitting it, you will be reviewing. Redirecting to YouTube. Now you can see it's now loading actually. Now let's wait for this to load. If this loading takes a long time, you can just simply refresh this page and you will see you are being reviewed. The AdSense is being set up and it's going to take some time. Well, don't worry about it. This will take a little bit of your time, maybe some 1 to 2 days or maybe 3 to 4 weeks. In my case, it only took 2 days. Okay, here we are back. Now if your channel is now monetized, simply it will show you like this. You can hit let's go, and now here you can see we have some new options around this earn tab. We got several options. Never click this option. This is a very useless option. We are never going to leave the partner program. So this is the ads that you get on your long form videos which I make. So you have to turn it on, accept the terms and conditions, accept and go. Review your ad defaults. I'm just gonna go with the default options, monetizing all of my videos so I can start earning some money. You can do this on your channel once you read the requirements. Okay, there are some settings that you can change, but I don't think I'm going to change it. I'm going with the default settings, not going to change anything. Currency is going to be Pakistani rupee. You can change it, but Don't worry about it. If you change to USD or Pakistani rupees or any other currency, you will only be getting US dollars, which will convert into your local currency. So don't need to change that. Now, well, you don't have to change these settings, which I am changing right now, but actually I'm not going to change anything at all. I'm just gonna keep it as it is. You can link your Google Ads account right here, but that step is we will do it later once we get the payouts. To get the payment, we have to meet earn actually minimum of $100. So we will wait about that. Not going to change anything at all. You can see some settings. Going to save these settings. Okay, now we have turned on the watch page ads. Also, if you want to turn on shorts feed, well, everyone wants to turn them on, so make sure you turn both your watch page ads and shorts feed ads to get earning from both your shorts and long form videos. These are the two options that are mainly focused for YouTube ads. Also, you can set up a store if you're into, you know, buying and selling stuff. Maybe if you have a merch of yourself or not. I'm just gonna dismiss everything and just gonna keep it as it is. Going with the minimum settings here, so you can understand. However, you can search more about other things as well. Now let's see how if your monitor videos are now monetized. Some of my videos are not monetized. I don't know why. We can check. Okay, so this video is not monetized because it is ineligible for monetization. Okay, the rest of the videos are monetized and they will be earning some money. If you don't want to monetize a video, you can simply click on it and turn off the monetization of that video. However, I'm not going to do that, that will be foolish of me. So this is another video which is not monetized. So I got two videos which are not eligible for monetization because they are some controversial videos, I guess. So on average, I have actually 100 something videos and 3 to 4 or maybe 5 of them cannot be monetized. I have only seen 3 which cannot be monetized, but well, what can we do about it? Simply be happy on what videos are now monetized. Okay, you can learn more if you want to learn, but nah, I learn by experience. I don't have to read anything at all. So these are the things that you can change or update. Make sure you subscribe to YouTube creators because they upload some videos which will be very useful for you once you know come into the YouTube creators partner program. You can learn a lot from these videos. So I will actually subscribe it later, and then we keep on checking out those videos to learn more and keep learning as we go step by step with our YouTube's progress. Okay, we have lots of things. You can turn on shopping as well. Some people or YouTubers selling those merches or not. Well, I am going to just take a little bit of look at it, and yep, these things are very useful if you want to learn. I'm gonna dismiss all of them right now. Anyway, that's been it. Thanks for watching.